Écrire.
means to write. In this video, we will learn the verb to write in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a third group verb, and it follows the same pattern that is shown here. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I write.
J'écris.
You write. Informal way.
Tu écris.
He writes. Masculine.
Il écrit.
She writes. Feminine.
Elle écrit.
We write, or one writes. Informal way.
On écrit.
We write. Formal way.
Nous écrivons.
You write. Formal way.
Vous écrivez.
They write. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils écrivent.
They write. Group of only females.
Elles écrivent.
This French verb is used to express the action of creating or forming written words or text. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. I write a letter.
J'écris une lettre. J'écris une lettre.
You write a story.
Tu écris une histoire. Tu écris une histoire.
He writes a poem.
Il écrit un poème. Il écrit un poème.
She writes a journal.
Elle écrit un journal. Elle écrit un journal.
We write a list.
On écrit une liste. On écrit une liste.
We write an email.
Nous écrivons un email. Nous écrivons un email.
You write an article.
Vous écrivez un article. Vous écrivez un article.
They write an essay.
Ils écrivent un essai. Ils écrivent un essai.
They write a card.
Elles écrivent une carte. Elles écrivent une carte.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I write.
J'écris.
You write. Informal way.
Tu écris.
He writes. Masculine.
Il écrit.
She writes. Feminine.
Elle écrit.
We write, or one writes. Informal way.
On écrit.
We write. Formal way.
Nous écrivons.
You write. Formal way.
Vous écrivez.
They write. Group of males or mixed people.
Ils écrivent.
They write. Group of only females.
Elles écrivent.
Verbs that follow the same pattern are listed here. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.